Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to OnePlus Nord review. So this would be a honest review because OnePlus Nord released a couple of minutes ago. So here are the thoughts, new features and how it's going to look like. So talking about the display, it got an 1080p 90Hz full AMOLED display and with a hole punch camera with I think dual cameras, one with 32 megapixel with normal field view and another camera with an wide angle lens which would be useful for capturing better selfies at a more wide angle range by capturing more pets and people. And the smartphone with at this price range, which would cost about 24,999 in India, with the amount of display, which is 6.44 inches, is insane. And coming to the backside of the design of phone, the OnePlus Nord comes in two colors, one blue marble and the other one my favorite grey onyx. So by looking at the back of the setup, you can see the camera bunch. You got in 4 cameras right after another, as you can see it in pictures. So the first one is 8 megapixel ultra wide angle 190 degrees camera, and the main camera, which is Sony IMX 586, has a 48 megapixel camera so that it can shoot 4K videos at 60 frames per second, which is a smooth video at this budget range, and it has an optical image stabilization, and this is useful for who has shaky hands while taking a picture or taking a video, which would record a video very smoothly with optical image stabilization. Coming towards the third camera, it is a 5 megapixel depth camera which is useful for portrait mode and depth sensing, which is for closer objects and objects which are far away, which is not in subject, are not focused, which would give a budget background blurry effect and lighting with a bokeh effect. And moving towards the last and foremost camera, it is an macro camera which is of 2 megapixels, which is used for micro objects like capturing a picture which is about 4 centimeters, which is very close to the subject with a better detail, as you can see in the above pictures. And coming towards the variants with the amount of RAM and storage, the OnePlus Nord comes in 3 variants, which is 6 plus 64 GB, 8 plus 128 GB and 12 plus 256 GB. So the OnePlus Nord is powered by Snapdragon 750G, and which is a 5G processor, and if you have any 5G SIM or 5G network in your area, just put your SIM in it and you're ready to go. And the LTE speed of the 5G is very fast, that the speed is among 3.36 GB per second. Like you can eventually download PUBG in a second and delete it, and again download COD and play it in just one click, it will open. And one more thing about the OnePlus Nord camera is that it can shoot nightscape photos, which is better for low light and better shots at night time. And like the other OnePlus phones, it comes with 30T VOOC charging or super fast charging. They usually call it as dash charging. So it is also present in OnePlus Nord with this budget range, which is quite incredible. And the OnePlus Nord comes with an 4115 mAh battery, which is quite good for a budget range smartphone. With at 90Hz display rate, the battery is definitely going to be very low because 4000 mAh battery is not quite enough for a 90Hz display. And also OnePlus Nord comes with an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is underneath the display and which is quite as fast as other phones, which should unlock in 0.3 seconds. And usually the OnePlus phones run in Oxygen OS, so the Oxygen OS is also in OnePlus Nord 2, which is based on Android 10, and you can get up to 2 years of software updates, that is Android 11 and Android 12, and which is going to be soon Android 11 is coming towards OnePlus Nord. And yeah, coming towards the final impressions. So the OnePlus Nord costs about 24,999 for the lowest variant, which is 6 plus 64 GB variant, and 27,999 for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage. So, and the highest end one, that is the 12 plus 256 gigabytes model, that costs about 29,999. And the phone packed with these features at this price range is mind blowing, because OnePlus is known for providing the best features at the lowest price range. In the couple of years back, like the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 8 raised their prices up to the flagship level, which costs about nearly 50 to 60,000, which is the OnePlus 8 Pro. Now they come back to the old style by providing the newest features at a budget range smartphone. And unfortunately, the OnePlus Nord did not have wireless charging, and this is for the price reduction of the OnePlus Nord. And OnePlus Nord do not have an official IP rating for water and dust resistance, but they have added rubber tips at the charging port, and unfortunately there is no headphone jack for the provision of audio listening. And they did not give the IP rating because of the rate they have to increase for the OnePlus Nord for the IP rating checkup. So, for a phone with 90Hz display, 1080p, full HD, full screen, with dual front cameras and 4 rear cameras, Snapdragon 765 and 5G inbuilt, and 12 gigs of RAM with 256 of memory, is it worth for this price? Definitely a big yes. So that's about the review of OnePlus Nord. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.